Student, today we are going to learn what is shaper machine and what are the function of a shaping machine. In figure, this is the block diagram of a shaping machine. This is the base of the machine. This is the column. At the top of the column, this is the ram reciprocating type, horizontally reciprocate. This is the tool head, and this is the table of the shaping machine. This is the cross rail. Table vertically move upward and downward. On the table, this is the vice for holding the job, and tools are held in tool head. Now, the shaper is a reciprocating type machine tools. Shaper is a versatile machine which is primarily used for producing flat surfaces. This machine uses a single point cutting tool held in a properly designed toolbox mounted on a reciprocating type ram. So, the function of a shaping machine are: number one, to produce vertical flat surface, to produce inclined flat surface, to produce curved flat surface, to produce horizontal flat surface. Horizontal flat surface is the primarily used for shaper machine. Okay, it is the introduction of a shaping machine. Okay, thank you.